am anxiously looking down the road because this is an extremely important package for the channel and for the future of my educational career. This is a huge day for me. They delivered everything. It's right here. There's your hint right there. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Sick. That's a lot of stuff. This is insane. I just called my wife. I'm excited to see her reaction because I don't think she realizes how much stuff is in here. This is crazy. All right, here she comes.
Oh my goodness.